Adventure is out there, and today we journey to Kuipers Family Farm in Maple Park, Illinois. Kuipers Family Farm has an apple orchard, pumpkin patch, and a tulip fest. But today, we are here to visit their sunflower field. Jesse and I are visiting the farm with my brother David and his girlfriend Tiffany. The lady at the front desk was telling us there's over 17 different types of sunflowers here at Kuipers. Something that neither of us knew, or I guess any of the four of us, we didn't know that there were burgundy sunflowers. So there's quite a few burgundy sunflowers out here too. Kuipers also had several areas set up for fun photo ops. These photo ops were spread out all over the farm. Look how tall those ones over there are. How tall do you think those are? 10 feet right now? 12?
Oh yeah, easily.
We'll have to go stand over there. Get some pictures.
So he's like a big crab.
This is a cool one here. Wow, look at, there's like 6 honeybees on that flower right there.
Keep going.
I'd say so.
Something like that one, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. I wonder, like, some of these blooms look like they're like past their time, and some of them look like they're just starting to peak. I wonder if different varieties are like that, you know, because it looks like all those, the giant ones over there, look pretty healthy, where some of these look like they're at the end of their
prime.
At the end of their prime, yeah.
This is the last weekend of the sunflowers.
Oh, is it?
It is, so.
So we made it just in time then.
More well-versed.
Yeah.
Eat.
These are really cool. I don't know, I was thinking about keeping going. Do you guys want to turn back around, or?
We can go walk through that patch over there.
Okay.
Or go, you want to go that way? Or right, that. Which way you want to go? That way back? Okay. Yeah, I was thinking about going back where we came and like go through another aisle.
It's funny because I feel like they all are facing the east. Yeah.
It is actually opposite. They are nature savages.
Here at Kuipers, included with your admission ticket, you get to bring home 1 bloom per person. So we're gonna have to look through these 17 different varieties that they have and choose which ones we want to take home with us. It's gonna be a hard decision to make, I'd say. The sunflowers that we're over by now are, we believe, are called the mammoth sunflowers, and these are the tallest ones that we can see in the field right now. They're massive. Jesse, do you want to walk next to it? What do you think, 10 feet tall?
8.
8 to 10 feet tall?
10, yeah.
I think, yeah.
Might be 9. That's Mondo. Not a strong stalk though. Like,
No?
Very wiggly.
A little wiggly?
Very wiggly.
Look at the size of the leaf, too.
Huge.
Like, look at it.
Park stuff.
Compared to your hand, it's like
Yeah.
Well, and sunflower seeds.
massive.
It is.
I bet you they sell sunflower seeds here too. We'll look.
I bet they
If they don't, that's a missed opportunity, I'd say.
Right.
Put it down under their own weight.
Yeah, they're so heavy.
Look at the size of this thing.
I'm like, I want that one.
It's huge.
What they saying, you know, hampered by success.
Yeah.
Indicator that summer is ending. But,
It's true.
You know, I like to think
I
of
don't know why I like them so much.
the period between
beautiful.
summer
I
and
mean-
fall is a beautiful sign.
I was gonna say like summer ends, but then fall begins, and that's one of the best seasons here.
It's almost harvesting season.
Yeah. In October.
Yeah, they're starting now.
Yeah. There's a monarch right there. Oh wow.
It's actually monarch migration right now.
Yeah.
Fun
They're
fact.
starting to hatch from all the milkweed around the ponds and stuff like that.
Freaking plays
Oh wow, there's not. I don't. I was just filming it, and I don't think there was any honeybees on there. And then I walk over, and there's like three or
yeah.
four. Let's see this one over here. Oh yeah, this is the burgundy one you said you saw over here.
Yeah, that's the one.
It almost feels like a mixture over here, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
no, I kind of
like
like
this.
that.
Yeah.
There's a pink one right here.
There's a pink one? Oh wow. Let's take a look at this. What kind of sunflower do you think that is, Jess?
Probably a white and a red burgundy hybrid.
Ooh.
I'm Ron Burgundy.
Yeah.
I like that the bees just kind of like do their own thing.
I found the one I'm gonna snip.
Is that the one you want?
This beautiful rare one. Unless this big guy wants it, then I'll walk away.
Yeah, maybe knock below it. Kind of like tap at it.
A little bit.
No, he's good. He's good. He flew away.
Now let's snip it.
That's a really cool one.
Got to.
David picked the first flower. He got a pretty rare one, it looks like. We don't see many other ones that look like that around here. It's like a whitish, yellowish color on the outside and nice and burgundy in the center. Good pick,
cool.
Dave. Good pick.
Thank you.
I like the
Appreciate
leaf
it.
on there too. It's got a nice big leaf on the back.
I like it.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a good pick.
Very pretty.
Very pretty. It's interesting, these ones have like yellow on like the back side.
Oh
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
But then like when you look from the front, they're like totally just burgundy. You know?
Yeah, they're
Oh, yeah.
very interesting. I never knew sunflowers had like,
No, I didn't either.
thought it was just one. And I thought they just looked different once the season starts.
Yeah.
Almost like a carnation or something.
Oh yeah?
Look at it.
That's really cool.
You guys see this variety? It's almost like a different type of flower, but it's got so many petals on it.
It's like, it looks really cool.
Is this a certain kind of sunflower?
It must be.
Like this interesting yellow one with like a green center?
Yeah, there's one over here too.
Really?
Yeah. Are you talking about like this one here?
Yeah, that's the one I was talking about.
I think it's got to be the same as these ones. It must just like open
Yeah.
and change color. But they're really like, I've never seen a sunflower that looks like this in person.
It's like a little fuzzy sunflower.
Yeah. This sunflower here is like curled. It doesn't have a flat face like the other ones. It's pretty interesting looking. What did Tiffany pick?
Hybrid.
Oh wow. That's a really pretty one.
Yeah.
To show off the flowers that you picked out. Jesse picked a really pretty sunflower here. Look at that.
Really nice.
Beautiful, beautiful. Love the leaves on it too. Very nice. That means I have to pick a flower now. I'm the last one. All right, I am picking this burgundy flower here, the sunflower. I'm gonna cut it. There's a lot of bees around it, so Jesse's trying to shake it a little bit just to scare the bees off for me. Should I cut like right here?
That's fine.
Right here?
Yeah. Woo.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Turn towards the camera.
Pick my sunflower.
Nice.
Does it look nice?
Yeah.
It's a cute one.
Uh-huh.
I like that this one also has like the yellow look on the back.
Yeah, it's got like that speckled hybrid
Yeah.
look. Yeah. All right, let's leave it in water.
Yep. Perfect. Look at those beautiful flowers we picked. I think we picked some good ones, you guys. Pick some winners today. Oh, is the bee still there?
Swarming.
The bees are loving Tiffany's flower right now.
Yeah.
They're just all over it, but he seems okay. He's just hanging out, right? That might be the most beautiful flower here, Jess.
I think so.
We ordered actually two of the apple cider slushies. What do you think?
That's awesome.
Good? Good.
Yeah.
Is it refreshing? Let's see.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I always love apple cider.
Mm. That's really good. What'd you find? Banana nut honey butter?
That might be the thing for you.
I think I need it. Where is it though? I don't see it. Peanut butter pecan,
Right here.
blueberry.
There's one right there. I can see.
There.
And there's apple spice pecan.
Look how cute these gnomes are. What,
And you got
what
the
else they
little
have?
honey bear, little spreaders.
Oh, those are cute. I definitely think we need the banana nut honey butter though. This is a cool place, guys. It's really cool in the store how they have a different section for each of the major holidays here. It's really a cute area. They also have a lot of different popcorns here for sale. Over here they have the kettle corn, and they also had, I think it was cheese popcorn, some regular popcorn on the other side as well. Tiffany and David picked out the cheese pizza flavored popcorn. You'll let us know, have you had it before?
Oh, it's real good.
It's good?
Yeah.
It's interesting, interesting. I'll have to go check those out. Parmesan garlic. Here's the cheese pizza. Lime cilantro popcorn. Wow. Cheddar bacon popcorn. Wow. Lots of different types of popcorn over here. Cheesy caramel. Okay, okay. Cheesy caramel.
Sweating bullets over here. Spicy one.
A hot one.
Sweating bullets.
Sweatin' bullets popcorn. I kind of just want some kettle corn. Do they have a regular caramel corn here? Oh, they have a caramel apple. Dill pickle. I love dill pickles. Interesting. Overall, we had a really nice time at Kuipers Family Farm for the sunflower experience. I loved the different areas for photo ops, and it was nice to be able to take our souvenir sunflower bloom home with us. If you've enjoyed watching this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. I hope you join me on my next journey, but until then, keep exploring.